Okay, so today's date is 15th of May, and right now I am sitting in front of my shop because my parents are doing some work in the garden, so I will have to watch the shop. And also I'm sitting here just because of the weather. The weather is so nice. It's like uh, mm, a weather where we can play cricket. So yesterday we were having our first exam and it was perfect. It was not that much perfect, but at least I will able to pass. That's for sure, I know. And regarding other placement drives, we have Coding Ninjas and Litmus one, the very latest one. And I have applied only to the Coding Ninjas, not to the Litmus, because in the Litmus it requires every document of 10, 12, everything. So I'll fill up that one from my laptop once I have my laptop fully charged. And I don't know what I'm gonna do next, but at least this is sure that something is gonna happen very big in my life. So right now I don't have any knowledge what to do next. I'm only going with the flow, and that's it. I don't have anything to share, anything particularly which I'm doing these days. I have nothing to do, nothing to share, anything, just as usual as that. And right now also I'm in some tension, and say also I'm in some means around 100% of 10% I'm into the stress, and 90% I'm not into the stress because I know some everything will be working out, everything will be done at its correct time. So I'm very and also these days I'm doing bug bounty also, which is very which is also a very good field. And I am learning, I am making my own methodology in Notion, everything. So let's see what things will work out, because if something is introduced in my life, something is again brought back into my life after 2 years, like this cyber security. So I don't think so that it will be like useless. So I will surely gonna find big big vulnerabilities in the future because I'm upgrading myself, and that's it, nothing. And see, you can watch our Chotu. What he is doing is he is digging up something, and so that he can sleep there. And this Kalvi, they both are husband and wife, that's it. And this is the life update which is currently going on my in my life. And also this is our ground where we used to play daily. Yesterday we played, and from today I will be uploading daily cricket vlogs where I'll be sharing vlogs of cricket, how many runs we scored, how many runs we chased, how many runs I scored, everything will be shared. And that's it. Okay, that's it. So closing off. So to ऐसा कर। छोटू का भी बढ़िया है, कुछ ना कुछ तो करता ही है। हाँ, अरे कैमरा देख के सामने आगे साला हाय बोलो, हाय बोलो।